Hello parents and viewers, welcome to Common Core and Gifted Learning. This is Neha. Today's topic is 5 things an elementary kid should memorize. So if you have seen my past videos, I always stress on not memorizing anything or you will never get any questions, especially in Common Core curriculum, about things that you can memorize. It is all about deeper understanding and concrete learning of the topic. But in my research, I have found that there are 5 topics or 5 concepts you should absolutely memorize. The first thing I would recommend is multiplication table at least till 12. This helps with speed, of course, because later on when you are doing algebras, if you're deriving each product with 2 factors on the side and then doing applying it in the real what problem, it actually takes more time. So if it is on the fingertips with memorization, it's easier for kids to solve and less frustration, of course. Second thing will be irregular verbs. So regular verbs, we know is always like the past, present, and the participle is like, ed. You add like ed, work, worked, worked. It's pretty easy. But some of the irregular verbs needs to be memorized for correct reading as well as correct writing. When they're writing a sentence, if those irregular verbs is learnt pretty well and they remember it, it really helps them when they're writing like passages or stories. Third thing will be country, capital, and currency. These are the 3 basics for general knowledge. It broadens the geographical knowledge about our world, and eventually if there are some passages for comprehension like taken from somewhere which relates to those countries, at least they know or have a background or knowledge instead of like a full abstract map. So I feel like country, capital, and currency should be memorized. Third thing that I will be suggesting is area and perimeter of the basic geometric shapes. The reason is like when they know the formulas is of course faster. That's one of the reason, but also they know how a perimeter and how an area actually works in the real world. Like for example, if I am trying to lay grass, will I be considering taking out like deriving the area or deriving the perimeter? Or if I'm trying to lay a fence, area will not work. Then I need the perimeter of the rectangle or the backyard. So not only it helps you to understand the difference between area and perimeter, but how different shape works and why the area and perimeter is different compared to and when you are comparing or looking at the formula, it gives you a better understanding of the concept. And last but not the least, spellings of the most frequent words is something I would really recommend, because it helps you with the writing, a clean writing rather, and also with reading. So suppose there are some words which are really close, like vital and volatile. So if you know the regularly used words, then it's easier to read, easier to comprehend, easier to understand the context, in what context it is said, and also it helps in a very clean writing for elementary kids. And as you know, ACEs are very important in later years of learning. So I would really stress on these 5 concepts to be thoroughly memorized before even going to middle school. So that's all for today. See you in the next video.